Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Stuff Like Liz. My name is Alyssa and I live on the island of Oahu in Hawaii. And today we will be unstuffing our 100 envelope challenge. Aloha everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. Guys, today is a very exciting and fun day because we are finally unstuffing my 100 envelope challenge. You guys, I have not completed the 100 envelope challenge. As you can see, I still have many envelopes that are not filled, but I did a pretty good job on filling up as many as I could. But honestly, I have no idea how much I have saved because some envelopes I stuffed more than what the actual number is on the envelope. So I'm so excited to finally unstuff it, and yeah, let's just get to it. So I'm not too sure how I want to do this. I guess I'll just start unstuffing it. I don't know. I don't think I'll do it by any particular number. I guess I'll just take out the envelopes that I have stuffed and we'll go from there. So let's see, we got all of these. I don't even know how many envelopes. Well, I can't even take it out, it's so slippery. I don't even know how many envelopes I have stuffed, to be honest. I didn't color in any charts or anything like that. So yeah, I am super excited. Okay, so I think that's all of the envelopes. Okay, so here it is, and I guess I'll just start unstuffing it, starting with number 1. Actually, should I count how many envelopes I had stuffed? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, maybe I should just count it out after all of these are unstuffed, so maybe it'll just be easier to track that way. So I'll just start unstuffing it. Can you guys see all of that? Okay, maybe I'll move some of this over and I'll just start piling everything right here. There you go. I think that's better. So this is super exciting. Maybe I'll unstuff it and then maybe fast forward. Maybe you can listen to some music.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall.
Okay, oh my gosh, so let's go ahead and count out how many envelopes I actually stuffed. Hopefully I stuffed about half. the envelopes. That'll be good. So actually, when I started this 100 envelope challenge, I believe it was towards the ending of March, and that's when I started this YouTube channel. So let's see how much of these envelopes I actually stuffed. Okay, so there's all of the envelopes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Okay guys, so 36 envelopes. That's not bad. And I wasn't consistent on stuffing, you know, 2 envelopes a week. So I think this is pretty good. It's a great start for my first try. So let's go ahead and count it up. Or let's sort it out first, actually. So let's see. I'm just gonna move this cash over and then make some room here for the bills. So I guess I'll just be doing that, and I'll just put it in here. So 50, 20, 10, 5, 1. Okay, perfect. So let's see, 5. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and count the cash. So let's see. How should I do this? Should I start with the 100s? So 1, 2. Let me try. Okay. 100. Okay, 20. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So 8, 30. Okay, and then 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. 100. Okay. we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, so all together we have $940. Guys, that's pretty good. So that's everything for my 100 envelope challenge, $940. So this will be going into the bank next week, and this will be going towards my credit card bill. And I'm super pleased with my first 100 envelope challenge. And guys, next year I'll be starting this in January, which is in a few weeks. So let's make it a goal for next year to finish the challenge. So anyways, thank you for unstuffing with me today, and let me know if you've tried this challenge, if you unstuffed yours yet. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.